is ICT?
ICT stands for Information and Communication Technologies and is defined as a diverse set of technological tools and resources used to communicate and to create, disseminate, store, and manage information.
Hey JK, what are you doing?
Doon sa ka, Jake. Gadula ka?
Wala, oy. Ga-study.
Wala din may libro, anak.
Nami test ra sa EMPTECH niya kung magdala kog libro ron kay bugat kayo dili maka-study ra niya, lightweight ra. ICT is helpful in our education system since we used to bring heavy books in school. Now, we can just use our gadget and bring this. It is very lightweight and you can have notes here.
Message asa ni? Pwede kang tumulong sa mga naapektuhan ng talog kinarapsa. Ha? No, JK, kablo ka ang sinita mas taal?
Ni arap ang kuan taal at i-search ang Facebook kung sa update na.
Let's search.
ICT in society is really helpful and beneficial to us, especially in helping us acquiring and gaining news or information about the outside world, what is happening in our society, and getting us the information that we need to know about the important issues in our world.